Hello, Billy the Artist here, back with a little overview video of some of the Harry Potter stuff that I have done for the drawing lessons for all you guys. Before we go any further, do like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when new drawing lessons are available, and there's lots planned, and do use the hashtag drawingwithbilly if you're posting stuff on social media. Just great to encourage and see so many of you enjoying what we've done. Now, here we have the two others. There is another video with all the other Hogwarts houses, individual badges on. And again, they're all on the Harry Potter playlist. Check the link in the cards in the description for the Harry Potter playlist itself. Lots of videos on there and the short time lapses so you can see the whole drawing very, very quickly. But we have the Hogwarts house badge itself. Draco Dormium's Nunquam Titilandus. Never tickle a sleeping dragon. Great wise advice. But here on the Hogwarts badge we have Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. The four houses of Hogwarts itself that all the pupils end up in. Now again, there is the individual ones of those, but this was just to do the entire Hogwarts crest. Ollivanders wands was just great fun to do. Just nice because it's all curves. There's hardly any straight. In fact, the only straight lines are on some of the letters, but even there, they're all very curvy with little bits on. So that was a very complex image that was broken down into simple shapes. Now again, I have a video called How to Draw Anything Part 1. In the description is the link for that and up in the cards. Check that out because it breaks things down into very, very simple shapes. And I say in that video, you can draw anything from a bird, a bee, a flea, a tree, a horse, a house, or anything else. And it's helped lots of people to get drawing very, very simple using shapes, which leads us to the sorting hat on top of Harry's head. Now again, you can see very simple triangle shapes that are in and just make up the actual sorting hat. And you see me put this down in full real time and then shade it in. And it's been great to see people actually do their own versions of these and learn so much from my drawing lessons. Anyway, there's lots more. There's more than 130 lessons so far on my How to Draw playlist, covering loads of subjects from Toy Story, The Incredible Secret Life of Pets, Lego, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of different things. Now, check them out. Please do share, and there will be more coming in the near future. I am just reorganising my studio and getting everything ready so I can do a lot more work of all kinds of art. But anyway, I will be doing more Harry Potter as well. Take care and see you in the next video. Ta-da.